In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete activities. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, choose Activities. Select the activity you would like to edit. I will go ahead and click on Close. I cannot change the code of an activity once it is created, but I can change the name. Maybe I will put Close on Weekends. And maybe I'll change the note to say See Weekend Closing Checklist. I could also, if I wanted, disable this activity. Maybe I'm not ready for people to use this when logging time yet, so I'll go ahead and disable that. If you changed your mind and you don't want to make these edits, click Close. If you do, click Save. And now those changes have been saved. You can see that that activity is now called Close on Weekends. The note now says See Weekend Closing Checking List, and it is not currently enabled. That means it can't be used right now. To delete an activity, click on that activity and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that activity. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that activity has been deleted. Please note that you can only delete activities that have not been used to log time. If someone has logged time under an activity, it can be disabled, so it's no longer in use, but it cannot be deleted. That's how you can edit and delete activities in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to create pay rates.